Hi everyone, this is Chelsea Beimfohr with Atlanta News First, just wrapping up day one of the Colin Gray trial. He is the father of accused Apalachee High School shooter Colin Gray, who allegedly entered Apalachee High School back in 2024 and committed a mass shooting that killed 2 teachers, 2 students, and wounded about 9 other people. His father, Colin, is accused of gifting him the AR-style rifle that was used to carry out that attack. So today, on day one, we heard opening statements from prosecutors and the defense. The state is trying to prove that Colin Gray knew his son was going to harm someone based on the fact that he may have been suffering from some mental health problems like anxiety and depression, and that Colt had allegedly made online threats before that had previously been tracked by the FBI. During opening statements, prosecutors also showed photos of an alleged shrine that Colt created at home, glorifying other school shooters. But the defense says that Colin cannot be held criminally responsible. They say that during the trial, the evidence will prove that Colin Gray did not know his son Colt was planning a school shooting, and that if Colt was planning a school shooting, he never notified his father. After opening statements, we heard from a series of investigators today and teachers, including a teacher that says Colt approached her in first period that morning and asked if they had ever had a school shooting drill. And that teacher said that was alarming. She also noticed his backpack had a poster board coming out of the top of it that was wrapped in some clothing and a winter hat. It was warm outside that day, and she immediately raised a red flag and notified administration that she thought something might be off, and she thought that Colin Gray might have a gun. We also heard from his second period teacher, who said he asked to go to the counselor that day, returned about 25 minutes later, and that's when she saw him outside of her classroom with that rifle. And then we also heard from several investigators who responded that day, talking about what they saw, including the Barrow County Sheriff Judd Smith, who recalled treating a student who had been shot. We know that she did survive, but he recalled her saying, "Please don't cover my face with a sheet. Please don't let me die." It was a very emotional day in court. Many of the victims' families were present listening to this testimony. We know that this trial is slated to last several more weeks, and Atlanta News First will be covering it for you from gavel to gavel.